Stoneboy is my boy. Stoneboy used to be with me. He used to come to where my first room I rented.
Now Shatta Wale, Refi said, you two, Benna Boy, now then the role, and then what me here when Benna Boy.
Are you cool with him?
I'm cool, but he can't watch me.
He can't look at you in the face.
No, he'll fall down.
So up Grammy, you won't get it. With this beef, you won't get it. It is high time Jimmy and Dawson. We need to stop.
I'm too confident. You understand me? I'm not the fake type. You understand me?
Shatta keeps on doing this and it's not helping you. Go and do good music and stop wasting your time on this useless interviews.
But with things he says, he doesn't follow it. You understand me? And me things I say, I follow it. You know, when we say we are coming to beat you, we are coming to beat you.
I thought you were coming to talk about your new music, which is out. By your mouth interview, your mouth platform, meet you, no. Stoneboy is aiming at Grammy. Shatta, one year, Obes are no non-entity, local champion. Hello, baby. I'm the check CNMI Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe me to my now say Nyakabi. Shatta Wale and Stoneboy in Semia it seems they are getting it, they are not getting it. I said it and I'll keep on saying again. What Ghana needs is big collaborations, and yes, I'm quite okay. Shatta Wale interview more can some spiritual, some physical. Or we and Stoneboy Superman say time no we share or a friend is saying Ghana Echo World Cup and I say no. Shatta hugged him like an obsessed woman. So you should stop lying. You better dig into it. But before then, young Konya could see Shatta interviewed her.
Stoneboy is my boy. Stoneboy used to be with me. He used to come to where my first room I rented. He used to call me daddy, come to me and, stuff like that. But when he started getting into the media and, they say, you have talent. Oh no, you're even better than Shatta Wale.
Stoneboy comes into the studio right now. Are you cool with him?
I'm cool, but he can't watch me.
He can't look at you in the face.
No, he'll fall down.
Wait happen.
No, like my spirit is too big for him. When you meet people that their spirit is too big, You understand me? And me, I'm too confident. You understand me? I'm not the fake type. You understand me? But with things he says, he doesn't follow it. You understand me? And me things I say, I follow it. When we say we are coming to beat you, we are coming to beat you. We are not coming to play there and coming to ask you what is your name. You understand me? So he knows me well like that. And with things he has said, he feels if he meets me one-on-one. You see, Stoneboy, I've been telling people, like sometimes when I see him, I feel bad. Because I feel like he hates Samini. He doesn't want, and Samini will be bigger than I say, which big guy we are talking about? You boy don't know. Now Samini is no more.
This is what we call enthusiasm. I know you're enthused young youth exuberance. Yeah. Me and Kase, we've not seen this before. We have. And when it comes to showbiz, sometimes it helps in a way because it's my sales boosty, especially ebia dropping album bina sebe enko ye no timi a way. But it's becoming one too many for the same artist. Sometimes obey bedu baby na I boring. E dey na aba na dey na akọ. Shatta Wale said na Stoneboy the boy. Now Shatta Wale Refi said na you two Benna Boy. Now then the role and then when Benna Boy ni. That is what I want you to say. Say some time ago no na many Benna Boy were rubbing shoulders. But your Bob Benna Boy will be in the whole world. Me enemy. Just recently the World Cup, Benna Boy came to perform. It shows how we're taking the craft, seriously. I got it also. Beef is allowed. But who say, Ocean Nigerians now say beef because will say, so corporate endorsements, fan base as Sebi, lawyer and all that. It's not about beef. It's about producing songs which are timeless. Nancy me who say, Shatta Edope will be announced or Grammy. You won't get it. With this beef, you won't get it. And I make and say, it is high time Jimmy and Dawson. We need to stop. We can't be doing this. We call Shatta. And let me tell you one thing. Shatta ye Obia or Phyllis said the whole world should stop for him. But Shatta, baby, I will do no Obia Chamo. Obia Cham. You understand? Yes, baby, I will do no you'll be passing by. And the world will not stop for you. Stoneboy, I maybe every time me many neka say also jai. But Shatta keeps on doing this and it's not helping you. Go and do good music and stop wasting your time on this useless interviews. I thought you were coming to talk about your new music which is out. By your mouth interview, your mouth platform, I meet you no. Because now before say you come to talk about your music and the new one which is out, projects in the offing and all that collaborations are all here. But you spend time talking about Stonebwoy. What do you gain out of it? Then behind me say small minds talk about people. You understand? Because Stonebwoy just brought a caption. Was it that time now you hugged him? So stop lying. And then you are always picking on people. I thought say you are now mature. Me your age. Now you are this state. Me first says they say you are matured, but you are not matured. You are still the baby grumbling and baby. You are always, you want attention and all that. Let your music do the attention for you. And yes, Sebe, kasana be na ebema attention. Stonebwoy is aiming at Grammy. Shatta one year. Obesa no a non-entity, local champion. And then Shatta show and kola ya woman we are na Somako Stadium. But Stonebwoy is doing corporate shows. You know corporate shows? Shows are obi betua 2,000, 3,000. That's what Stonebwoy is doing. Because of branding we. But this we boy someone banty Shatta Wale Stadium na 5 cities. He needs to move away. It is high time. And as Sammy Flex, I'm disappointed in you. Who you be a seasoned journalist? Can't you call Shatta to order? Say, sad time now your mouth to do interview. No, was the time to put yourself up, not the time to talk about Stonebwoy. Because when you be, now when you say Shatta kind, we're making Stonebwoy even more popular. Ni beef no or ye call ye only beef yet. Because beef no ye to direct attention to you. But when what direct attention towards Stonebwoy? Because Stonebwoy is come to release an album soon. Until you are rather what hyping him. Unless it's a gimmick, amumi numashi amo yedia. Na Shatta, so when you be for ninyama awo yedia, excuse me to say, you are still a very, 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 very small boy in a big man brain. Sister, oh yeah, be sister di ampacho. Jania maybe. Now making sure that now you concentrate on your music. And yes, sir, but do doc no kwa. I expose GHFM member subscribe share. Me too man answer can be one OSC.